haram, major sin, kabira min al-kaba'ir. What is the importance of keeping the garments above the ankle for men? And what is the punishment if it is not implemented? Then the hadith of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam is clear. Reported in Bukhari and Muslim and other places. In fact, I think on my website there's a whole article on the topic. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to the men, whatever is below the ankle is in the hellfire. Whenever you hear a hadith of Rasulullah that prohibits you from something, and then connected to it there is an adhab or a threat, know that it is a kabira min al-kabair. It is a major sin. ये मामूली सा और minor sin नहीं है, छोटा गुनाह नहीं है, ये बड़ा गुनाह है. So this is a major sin, a kabira min al-kabair. क्यों? Because the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whatever of your garment is below the ankle is in the nar, is in the hellfire. एक hadith नहीं है, numerous hadith of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Whenever the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to see anyone with their garment below the ankle, he used to make inkar. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam never stayed quiet. Hatta Abu Bakr as-Siddiq. On an occasion, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam saw Abu Bakr. That's his best friend. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam knows Abu Bakr. Ye kaun hai? Abu Bakr was from the Hunafa. Abu Bakr never worshipped an idol in his life. Even before Islam, Abu Bakr as-Siddiq radiyallahu anhu never worshipped an idol. He was from the Hunafa before the wahi came to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam knows he is a Siddiq. When everyone called Rasulullah a liar, he believed in Rasulullah. That's why he is a Siddiq. But the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam didn't say, Abu Bakr, isko rehne de. Main isko janta hu. Ye mukhlis hai. Because he is mukhlis. Abu Bakr as-Siddiq is in Jannah. How do we know? Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Abu Bakr is in Jannah, Umar is in Jannah, Uthman is in Jannah, Ali is in Jannah, Sa'ad is in Jannah, Zubair is in Jannah, Talha is in Jannah. Hadith aati hai. The 10 who were promised Jannah. But the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam didn't let him go. Didn't let him go. We said, Abu Bakr, what's that? Ye kya? He said, Ya Rasulullah, I am a very thin man. Main koshish karta hu to keep the izar high, lekin niche it falls down. Isliye it goes below my ankle. So the Prophet ﷺ said, okay, Abu Bakr, you are not from the people of Kibr. You are not from the Mutakabbirin. So Abu Bakr as-Siddiq had a udhr. So Allah's Messenger ﷺ accepted the excuse of Abu Bakr as-Siddiq. Aaj log kehte hain pantaloons below their ankles and garments below their ankles and the salwar below their ankles, कहते हैं मैं मुतकब्बिर नहीं हूँ. देखे आप अबू बकर के. So Abu Bakr had an excuse. उनका excuse क्या था? I'm skinny, slim man थे वो. तो इसलिए he couldn't keep the garment tight. So he used to go down and he used to pull it up. Then he used to go down. He used to pull it up. This is Abu Bakr as-Siddiq. Isliye the Prophet ﷺ accepted his excuse. Otherwise, you are mutakabbir. That's the meaning of the hadith. Otherwise, you are mutakabbir. Unless you have an excuse. Excuse hai? Kya excuse hai? Koi excuse nahi. Main bas fashion modern banna chahta hu.